Oh yeah. Okay. Ew, I hate her. A panda and a giraffe. They get together. They do the thingy, and then the giraffe's head becomes the panda head, and then it becomes a panda-raff. Yeah. Now I'm gonna eat it. I know, right? A penguin and a monkey. You rip the penguin's bottom half off, and then it becomes part of the monkey, and then it becomes a penguini, whatever how you say it. Shut up, kid. Now I'm gonna eat it. Now I'm gonna mix a lion with a hippo and a lion, and the lion and the hippo just kind of mix together. Start on top of the lion and hippo. Now it becomes a hippopotamus. And I'm gonna eat those too. Now I'm gonna mix a seal with a monkey. Let's see how this works. The seal goes under the monkey, and then they get smashed, and then they kind of just stick together like that. And then like, the monkey just fell off the seal. Stay together. Now it's a monk seal. It's a monk seal. Now I'm gonna eat those. And now a monkey and a lion can go together. Raw! Squish. Squish. They're stuck together too. They won't come apart. Never mind. Now it's a lie, however you say it. Ha ha ha. I didn't know gummy animals could mate. Did you?
I didn't know you were that stupid.
I'm not that stupid.